Hi there! Welcome to this video. In today's class, we're going to be talking about how to use kind of or kind of like. Okay? They're like to explain something or to compare something also, or to describe something also. Okay? We use them every day in an everyday conversation. Okay? They're very common. Some people say kind of and some people say sort of, but 2 out of 3 people say kind of and 1 out of 3 says sort of. Okay? All right, let's begin. The first one is, what is a trailer? Okay? You want to explain to this person what a trailer is. Okay? Maybe she doesn't speak the language, or maybe she just doesn't know or has never seen a trailer before, right? What is a trailer? Okay? So you want to make sure that she understands. Okay, so you're going to compare it with something else, right? Oh, it's kind of... Oh, I forgot the A here, I'm sorry. Okay. It's kind of a huge truck. Okay. Oh no, it's a kind of huge truck. You see, sometimes you get messed up when you drink a lot of coffee. Don't do it. Okay. Okay, we want to explain to this person what a trailer is, right? What is a trailer? Oh, it's a kind of huge truck. Okay, with boxes behind it. You can explain it to her. When you're saying kind of, she's gonna picture the huge truck and she's gonna say, okay, maybe I've seen one before. Okay, or maybe I know what it is. Okay, or in Japan it's called like this, or in Portugal it's called this way. Okay, next one. What is she like? What is she like? You're asking somebody, or somebody's asking you what somebody looks like. What is her physical appearance, or how somebody is like, you know? What is somebody like in, I don't know, her personality? What is she like? What is she like? Oh, she's kind of like you in a way. She's kind of like you. Okay, kind of like is like to compare it with something else also. She's kind of like you. Kind of means like in a way, okay? She's sort of, okay? Sort of like you, almost like you in a way, okay? Next one. Do you like her? This is another way to use kind of, okay? Do you like her? Well, kind of. Many people say that. I kind of like her, okay? So, more or less, okay? Next one. It's kind of cold in here. Damn, it's kind of cold in here. It feels kind of like being in a freezer. Okay, right here I put being. I know I'm using a G, but I put an apostrophe in its place, right? Okay, let's say it again. It's kind of cold in here. It's kind of cold, okay? It's a little bit cold in here. It feels kind of like being in a freezer, okay? It can be compared to being in a freezer, all right? Next one. Then you agree with it, right? Yeah, it kind of does. It kind of does feel like being in a freezer, okay? And if you're like, if you say, it's kind of cold here, it feels kind of like being in a freezer, or it is, instead of saying it feels, if you're like, it is, and you want to use the verb be, let's see what happens, right? It is, you take this one away. It is kind of like being in a freezer. Your answer would be, yeah, it kind of is, right? It changes. It depends on if you're using the verb be or an action. If you're using an action, you're going to say, oh yeah, it kind of does. Or, oh yeah, it kind of is if you're using the verb be, okay? For example, if I say, oh, George is kind of cool. Oh yeah, he kind of is. Okay, he kind of is. Or if I say, oh, they're kind of tall. Oh yeah, they kind of are. Okay, they kind of are cool or tall or whatever. All right, folks. The next part of the video is going to be about practice, one-on-one with me. All right. Thanks for watching. Time to practice. All right, you're going to help me fill in the blanks with the correct one, kind of or kind of like. Okay, remember you can also say sort of, but it's not that common. Okay, the first one is, he's blank crazy. Okay, For example, you can say, he's been dancing all day in the street and he's wearing his boxers and a cowboy hat. He's kind of crazy, okay? Or he's kind of losing his mind. Kind of crazy. That's an F in case you're wondering. Okay, next one. They're blank me. Okay? We all got mad and started yelling at each other, but you know, we couldn't stop screaming because they're kind of like me, okay? They're kind of like me. They're very explosive. Just an example, okay? I'm not explosive. Kind of like me. They're kind of like me, okay? That means they resemble me, okay? Or they look like me, or they're like me in a way, okay? Okay, next one. Gas is a blank fuel. Gas is a kind of like fuel. No, right? It's a kind of fuel. Kind of. Gas is a kind of fuel. Okay? Next one. An orchid is a blank flower. Is a kind of flower, right? Notice here we're using kind of, but you can also use type of, right? A type of flower, type of. You cannot say here, they're a type of like me. No, kind of is okay. But in this case, since you're saying it's a kind of fuel, or there are a lot of fuels like you're saying a type, you're using it as type, okay? This is a type, gas is a type of fuel. An orchid is a type of flower, okay? They're kind of like me, not there. Does not apply, doesn't apply here, okay? Next one. That idea is blank dumb, okay? Okay, I was thinking about throwing myself out a window with a parachute to see what happens. But there's a lot of people in the street. So that idea is kind of dumb, isn't it? Kind of dumb. Let me show you something else. Some people instead of saying kind of, as it is, well, most people actually, including myself, they say kinda, okay? I'm not sure if that's spelled like that, but kind of or kinda, okay? It's like wanna, gonna, gotta, you know, it's kind of like those things. That idea is kind of dumb, okay? Instead of saying, that idea is kind of dumb. It's kind of dumb, okay? Well, this time I'm gonna show you how to spell it correctly, so, kind of. But if you want to say kinda, it's okay too. All right, do you like her? Kinda. Do you like his videos? Yeah, they're kind of cool. I'm just kidding. Next one. This tastes blank sugar. Oh my God, this is, I don't know. This is, let's say honey, okay? This is honey, and this tastes kind of like sugar, kind of like, right? You're comparing it like, because they're alike, kinda. I'm sorry, not kinda, right? Kind of. Even though you can use both, as I already told you. Kind of like, sorry, it didn't fit there. This tastes kind of like sugar, okay? So, kind of, he's kind of crazy. They're kind of like me. Gas is a kind of fuel. An orchid is a kind of flower. That idea is kind of dumb. This tastes kind of like sugar. Okay, I hope you get it clear, because next I'm gonna leave you some homework, all right? So you can get practice, because you need it to improve your English. All right, folks. So for homework, you're gonna write a sentence, negative, affirmative statement, doesn't matter, with kind of and kind of like, all right? For example, I'm kind of crazy when I eat all kinds of candy, okay? I get kind of crazy when I eat all kinds of candy. Okay, remember, your homework goes down here in the comment section below this video. Don't forget to do it. It's really important that you improve your English and that you practice, and also read the other comments from other viewers so you get feedback, right? Right. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time. Hey, before you leave, here's a fun English fact for you. Did you know that English is almost always the official language for international conferences, businesses, and non-governmental organizations? That's why it's really important that you learn English now. Okay? For more videos or information or lessons, please visit our website, which is www.eslenglishabacademy.com. That's www.eslenglishabacademy.com. Thanks for watching, folks. Would you like to watch my next video? Click on the television to the right.